Hello children, welcome back to your social class. I am your social teacher Aisha. Okay, children, I want everyone to take out lesson number 1 Sem 2 textbook. Okay, Sem 2 textbook, lesson number 1. Today we are going to start with the lesson number 1 Mumbai, the gateway of India. Okay children, so in this session we are going to start with the new chapter Mumbai. Okay, first of all, you know Mumbai is in our country itself. India's capital is Delhi, but Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Right, children? Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai is the 5th most populous city. Mumbai is the 5th most populous city. Okay, and it is also the richest city. Mumbai is also the populous city as well as it is the richest city. Mumbai is also known as the Alpha City. Why? Because all global trade will take place in Mumbai. What is the meaning of global trade? Global trade means whatever the foreign investment or foreign exchange or any MNC companies they want to start, any new stock exchanges, that all will come and that all will be done in Mumbai. So Mumbai is called as Alpha City. Okay, earlier Mumbai was known as Bombay. Earlier Mumbai was known as Bombay. Now they have kept as a Mumbai. Okay, Mumbai got the name from, it is renamed after Mumba Devi. Okay, Mumba Devi was a holy goddess. Okay, Mumba Devi was a holy goddess. Mumba Devi, Mumbai. I means mother in Marathi. Okay, children, I means mother in Marathi. Mumba. Then this Devi will take as an I, and this I means mother in Marathi. Mumbai. Okay. Then, if we come for the location, where is this location? Mumbai is located near the western coast of India. This is west, this is east, this is north, and this is south. So Mumbai is located near the western part of India, western coast of India, and it faces Arabian Sea. Okay. Mumbai is an important seaport. Why? Because it has Arabian Sea over there. When ships come there, okay, so it has become the important seaport. Earlier, Mumbai was, before forming a Mumbai city, the place where this eastern coast were having small islands. They were just like an island, small islands. Later, all this group of 7 islands, there were 7 islands, children. Mumbai was among it. Okay, so these 7 islands, they formed one city and named as a Mumbai. Okay, they are all connected. This group of 7 islands are all connected. And Mumbai is also the financial capital of India. Okay, Delhi is the national capital of India, but Mumbai is the financial capital of India. Okay, and if you come for the climate of the Mumbai is neither too hot, neither too cold. Okay, because of the land breeze and sea breeze, which we'll be learning further. Okay, further classes. So Mumbai is neither too hot, neither too cold. It has a moderate climate, and you will get heavy rainfall in the month of June to August. June, July, August. You will get lot and heavy rainfall. Some parts of the Mumbai will be flooded also because of the heavy rainfall. Some parts of the Mumbai will be flooded. Let me repeat and give a quick recap about this. Okay, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Okay, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. It is the most populous city, which is the 5th most populous city. Then it is the richest capital, and it is also richest city, and it is also known as financial capital of India. It is also known as Alpha City because all the global trade center will be taken in the Mumbai itself. Mumbai earlier was known as Bombay. Then later changed the name into Mumbai because it is renamed after Mumba Devi, who is holy goddess. Okay, I is nothing but as mother in Marathi. So Mumbai Devi. Mumba Devi, Mumbai. And if you come for the where it is Mumbai, it is near the west coast of India. Okay, front where they have Arabian Sea faces means here is the Arabian Sea. It is facing Arabian Sea. Okay. It is also an important seaport. Mumbai is also an important seaport. How is Mumbai formed? Mumbai was earlier a city, 7 islands, a group of, they were all 7 islands. Then all this group came into once, and the 7 islands formed a city called Mumbai. Okay, if it comes for the climate, it's neither too hot, neither too cold, because of the land breeze and sea breeze, as well as still from June to August, there is a heavy rainfall and some parts of the city will be flooded. What is the meaning of flooded? Flooded is nothing but as water. Rain will be heavy rain, and the water will come to the cities. It will be a lot and lots of waters will come to the roads and cities. And it will take away, it will sweep away everything. That is known as flooded. Okay, next we will go for government. Okay, government. So what is the government we have in the Mumbai? So the main offices of the government, of the Mumbai government, is located in Mumbai itself. So which are the offices that are located in Mumbai? Chief Minister, Governor, and other ministers. They all offices are located in Mumbai, children. Okay. Then the public services, about the water taps, about the electricity, about the roads, these are all taken care by Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Mumbai Municipal Corporation, like how we have a BBMP, right? Brihat Bengaluru Mahanagar Palike. Same way, Mumbai Municipal Corporation (MMC) will take care about it. Okay. Then if we come for the center of industries. Okay, ma'am. Okay, this and all is there. But what about the industries? Mumbai is a hub. Hub means what? A lot of industries are over there. A lot of industries are over there. What are the industries are there in Mumbai? Here you can see. First of all, they have chemical industry, medicine industry, cotton textiles, edible oil, plastic, and food are in Mumbai. So what are the industries we have? First we have chemical industries over there, medical industries over there, cotton textiles, edible oil, plastic, and food. You know, food. Mumbai's food is world famous food, we can call it. We have Juhu Chowpatty over there. We will be having Vada Pav over there. So many different types and variety of food we can find in Mumbai. Okay. Mineral oil is found in the seabed near the Mumbai coast. So we can find even mineral oil. Okay. We can find even mineral oil is near the seabed. Okay. Near the Mumbai coast. The place is called Bombay High, where this mineral oil is there, no? Where the mineral oil is located, where you can find this mineral oil. This place is called Bombay High. Okay, children? Where the place we find a mineral oil near the seabed, that place is called as Bombay High. Oil found here is refined in a refinery. Whatever the oil they are found there in Bombay High, they will refine it. Means if any particles are there, any dust is there, they will clean it. Okay. And we have Bhabha Atomic Research Center is situated in Trombay. We have BARC, that is Bhabha Atomic Research Center. This is also situated. It's a completely, the Bhabha Atomic Research Center. It is for Homi Jahangir Baba. Okay, even his research center is also situated in Trombay. Okay. Mumbai is also famous for film industry. Everyone knows Mumbai is very famous for film industry. Lots and lots of films are produced over there, and lots of films will come to in the year. You cannot imagine how many films will be released here, right? So Mumbai is also famous for TV serials also, as well as Bollywood also. Then people, clothes, languages, festivals, and food. First of all, people in Mumbai, Marathi is an official language for them. Okay, which is the official language, children? Marathi. Marathi is an official language with people in Chennai. And apart from Marathi, what language they will speak? They will speak English, Hindi, as well as Konkani. Okay. Konkani is also another language. Like how we have in Karnataka Tulu language, right? They have different dialect of Tulu, Kannada. Same way, Konkani is also a different dialect of Marathi. Okay. But though Hindi and Konkani, Marathi they speak, but people rather speak Hindi and English itself. Okay, children, though many people speak English over there. Okay, many people will speak English only over there, but their mother language, their motherland language or their tongue is of Marathi. People, like how we Kannadigas speak Kannada, same way the Marathi people will speak Marathi, but officially everyone will speak English over there. But because many parts from all the part of the country, many people have settled over there and they speak in their own language also. Okay, and I said about food. What are the famous food in Mumbai? First of all, they have popular snacks. What are the popular snacks? Bhel puri, vada pav, pani puri, and pav bhaji. Okay, these are all the popular snacks over there. Okay, everywhere, every street vendor will get. You can find in every street vendor the snacks. Okay, and people are very fond of Shrikhand also. It is also a dish, a sweet dish, like how we have paisa here, right? Same way, even they have a sweet dish called Shrikhand. Okay, as it is a cosmopolitan city, variety is seen in dresses of people. Metropolitan city, where the metro started, so it is known as metropolitan city. Cosmopolitan city, because many people from all over the India, people start to stay over there, so it is known as cosmopolitan city also. And what are the festivals that we celebrate? First of all, Ganesh Chaturthi, they celebrate very grandly. Every street, every house, everyone will celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi very grandly. So, Ganesh Chaturthi, Diwali, they celebrate very grandly, important festivals. And Parsis also celebrate Navroz. Navroz means New Year, new day for them, for Parsi people. Then, from a week-long annual fair of Bandra. Then, a week-long annual fair, Bandra Fair, means even we have exhibition, right? Okay, in our Karnataka or in our Bangalore, so they'll keep exhibition, they'll keep all giant wheels, stalls, fair, puppet shows. We have a lot of Kardashian games, giant wheels and all they'll keep, right? Even in Mumbai also, in Bandra, annually they will held a fair over there. Okay, when they held this fair, right, they held it started first Sunday of after 8 September. Okay, 8 September will finish. 1st September will over, 2nd September, 8th September. After 8 September, the Sunday which comes, okay, after 8 September, today September is 8th. So today is Monday, today is 8th. In the coming Sunday, they will hold this Bandra Fair. And it is done to the commemorate of the nativity of Mary. So, on whose memory they will do? Of the Mother Mary. Okay, on the 8th of September, coming 8th of September. Then, what about transport we have over there? First of all, India's first train was started from Mumbai to Thane in 1853. First train in India, children, was started from Mumbai to Thane in 1853. It was 34 kilometers long. It was 34. So first train started from Mumbai to Thane. Okay, so it covered 34 kilometers. Okay. Mumbai Suburban Railway is the backbone of city's transport. Railway, if you see in films and all, Mumbai's railways are there, which will run on tracks. Actually, suburban, it is a backbone. If see, if you don't have backbone, can you stand? Can you walk? Can you sit? No, right. We need backbone for everything. Same way for the people over there to work and to move from one place to another. That Mumbai railway is actually a backbone. Without that, it is very difficult for them to live over there. Okay, and apart from we have railway, we have buses. That is buses also there we have local trains, and it is run by BEST. BEST is nothing but as Brihan Mumbai Electricity Supply. Brihan Mumbai Electricity Supply and Transport. Like how we have BMTC, KRTC, right? Even same day we have BEST. Even there we have BEST. And they carry millions of people every day. Means people who they are calling lots and lots of people every day. Then we have longest tree bridge in country, that is Bandra Worli, and ceiling open to the public on 30th June. So they have the longest tree bridge in Bandra to Worli, which is the longest tree Bridge, and we can go, even public can go, which was opened from 30th June 2009. Then in what and all we have Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. From India we can go from different cities, different countries, from different cities also we can come to India, and we can travel internally also. Okay, Mumbai is the main aviation hub in the country and the busiest airport in India in terms of the passenger traffic. So Mumbai is having aviation traffic, aviation hub also, completely related to flights and all. Okay, and it's the busiest, like how our Bangalore streets are very busiest, right? Same way. In Mumbai, airports are very busy. Okay, every time, every other minute, or every other word, you can see here, either flight is going, either flight is coming. Okay. Then what are the tourist places we have in Mumbai? The tourist places we have in Mumbai is Gateway of India, we have Elephanta Caves, we have Zoo and Museum, we have Victoria Gardens. Okay, so first we will know about Gateway of India. The most famous transport tourist spot of India is Gateway of India. Everyone knows Gateway of India. Okay, the statues of Shivaji and Vivekananda are erected near this landmark. The old and famous Taj Mahal Hotel is also nearby. So near Gateway of India, this is Gateway of India, children. Near this Gateway of India, even we have Swami Vivekananda and statue, as well as Chhatrapati Shivaji statue also, it is resided over here. Okay, and we have famous Taj Hotel also, a big famous Taj Hotel also is resided over there. Then we have Elephanta Caves. These are all the Elephanta Caves. Okay. It is also located in Elephanta Island. Elephanta Caves are located, I said, group of islands, then they formed a city. So these Elephanta Caves are located in Elephanta Island. Okay, and it has many beautiful temples. Temples, all the idols are being carved in that. Okay, if you visit anytime Mumbai, you can visit this Elephanta Caves. It's very beautiful. Okay, it is by the gateway. It is carved. It can reach Elephanta. Okay, sorry. There are beautiful rock cut temples. As I said, they have very beautiful rock cut temples. The island is 10 kilometers to the east of the city Mumbai. One can reach Elephanta Caves by ferries from the Gateway of India. So this island is somewhere around 10 kilometers. Okay, 10 kilometers near to Mumbai itself. Even if you want to go from Gateway to Elephanta Caves, you can travel by, which is somewhere around 10 kilometers only to there, and you can travel by ferries over there. Then every year in the month of February they will hold Elephanta Annual Fair. Elephanta Festival they will celebrate. They will organize. Even we can go and we can see the Elephanta Festival. What and all will happen in this? Dances will be there, musicians will come, many talented people will come. They will show their talent. Temples is there. Festival take place over there. Okay. Then apart from Elephanta Cave, we have Zoo and Museum. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Sangralaya, okay, which means formerly known as Wales Museum. Earlier, this museum was known as Chhatrapati Shivaji Sangralaya, Maharaja Sangralaya. Chhatrapati Shivaji is a great king, and he was also a freedom fighter. So, it is renamed after him. The museum is renamed after him, but now they will call it as a Wales Museum. Okay, then we have Jijimata Udyan, and which is also known as Victoria Gardens. So, earlier it was known as Chhatrapati. Okay, Marine Drive. See, we have tourist places, right? We have Gateway of India, Elephanta Cave, Zoo and Museum. Then we have Marine Drive. Marine Drive is known as lights at night. You can see here, see Marine Drive. This is Marine Drive. It is also called as Queen's Necklace. Okay, this is also called as Queen's Necklace. Why? Because in Marine Drive you can see so much of lights over there. In Queen's Necklace also it will be glittering and shining. No. So they are called as Marine Drive as a Queen's Necklace. It is situated near Nariman Point. Okay, because Nariman Point is completely for office. Any office people travel over there. Nariman Point is completely for office areas. Okay, many companies are located in office. So it's so to go for Nariman Point, people have to travel from Marina Drive. Then, what are the tourist places in there? There is Kamla Nehru. Apart from that, Marine Drive we have Kamla Nehru, Jahangir Art Gallery, Taraparawala Aquarium, and popular SL World. And you have Chowpatty, Juhu and Marine Drive, and also are the tourist places over there. So now we go for text your correct option. Mumbai is situated on the dash coast of India. Option C. Option B, west coast of India. Second, most popular festival in Mumbai is option A. Third, the shining light from Marine is called Queen's Necklace. Fourth, on the elephant area there are rock cut temples. Fifth, Mumbai is capital of Maharashtra. B name, Mumbai is also known as Alpha City. Mumbai has been named after Kali goddess Mumba Devi. Baba Atomic Research Center is situated in Trombay. Mumbai is also famous for its film industry, which is popular as Bollywood. The Marine Red Triangles right for the called Queen's Necklace. Okay. Next we have true or false. Female. Mumbai is situated on the eastern coast of India. False. It is situated on the western coast of India. Mumbai is known as financial capital of India. True. Mumbai is also famous as its film industry, which is popular as Hollywood all over the world. No, it is Bollywood. So it's a false. Mumbai is known as Bollywood all over the world, not Hollywood. Hollywood is for other thing. First railway line in India was started from Mumbai to Thane. True. So Mumbai suburban railway is the backbone of city's transport. True. Then we have D mania. Match the following: film industry, Bollywood; Bombay High, oil; Elephanta Cave, rocket temples. Yeah. Baba Atomic Research Center, Trombay; best buses. So film industry 1, Bombay High 2. So your answers will be listed: 4, 5, 1, 2 and 3. 4, 5, 1, 2 and 3. Film industry, Bollywood; Bombay High, you have oil; Elephanta Cave, you have rocket temples; Baba Atomic Research Center, you have Trombay; best buses. So your option is 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Here is finished Mumbai chapter. Okay, notes I'll be sending short. It's very short and sweet chapter, children. Any doubts, we'll definitely meet in our interactive session. Bye, children. Take care.